Are you on my channel yet? Did you subscribe? Did you not subscribe? I'm not telling that you have to, but come on. You know, it's not all my stuff is bad. It's not. I'm here at a car show. Please subscribe if you can. Leave a like. Please leave a comment. I'm gonna take you around here in Montgomery, Minnesota, and show you some cars that are here at the car show and my truck. At least one of them. Can tell me what year this Pontiac Firebird is. I'd like to know. It's not like I don't know, but you know what I mean. Got a beautiful Chevy Blazer. Dodge pickup there. Back to the old Dodge again. Wanted to get a little closer. Beautiful old Ford.
Made it convenient. Don't have the roads, nice roads and everything. I remember when they were building. Oh yeah, me too. I remember that. My uncle Edwin Tupa in Webster.
Wow.
You could hear the big caterpillars and the turnipoles.
When you see vehicles like this anymore, never.
Some relatives we had some relatives that lived in the
Beautiful
city.
looking
I remember
Ford.
going down there. It was just a dirt road because they were building I-35 there, and that was the only way to get there.
Nice looking gray Chevelle. Oh my God. I would do anything to have a Chevelle. Nice Bel Air. Beautiful car. Look at the interior on there. Someone has a thing with the blue. Must smell real good because I can't smell it.
A lot of pressure.
I have not seen one of these cars in a long time. One of these old Dodges. Wow, they've taken very good care of that one. Trans Am. Can you tell me what year it is? Let me know. I had a 79. It was gold. Looked just almost identical to it. Nice old GMC. Wow. Beautiful looking Chevy. GMC Chevy. I get corrected by that a lot. I apologize. If you leave a comment, let me know. Holy cow. Talk about you want to go fast. Holy cow. Beautiful. Now, I don't know what this is, but it's cool.
Maybe.
55 Chevy Bel Air. My grandpa used to own one of these. Check out that Ford. Oh my God. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful Chevy. Looking at another Firebird. Firebird 400. God, is that just gorgeous. Now, I have not seen anything like this before. I'm trying to figure out what it is, but it's nice. Dual stacks in the back. It is a Dodge. Oh my gosh. It's even got the old Ram logo on it. Hard to find.
Thanks for bringing that up. That's one of my favorites right there.
Looks like they did some welding to fix the fender here.
Little stinger. You ain't gonna find that anywhere. This ain't that's unique stuff right there. We've got some good stuff here in Montgomery tonight. I've got another tribute question for you. Beatles song is for this
It's a dually. I have no idea. It's a pretty green though. Oh, it's an old Chevy. Beautiful. God, look at that grill. well taken care of.
Who it is? That's $10 fishing ticket. The pizzeria 201. Who's the
Big old Chevy Chevelle. Wow. Wow. Did some pinstriping on one of these Chevys. I wasn't that much very a fan of them, but they are very a nice looking vehicle. Oh, I've got to stop for this one. I keep seeing these doggone stickers everywhere. Beautiful. .442, beautiful. I love those round clusters inside. Beautiful. Now, I know what that is. Who doesn't know what that is? An old Impala. Beautiful. El Camino. Everybody says I say it wrong. 55 Chevy. Beautiful. Well taken care of. Old Ford pickup. Beautiful. 55 Bel Air. Nomad. Beautiful. It's one of my dream cars I wanted. I already got my Super Bee, but I want one of these. That's all there is on the show. There's not a lot of people. They're not giving out prizes or anything. It's just you bring your vehicle, show it. I did bring the truck. I'm not getting any comments that I'm looking for. Like I said, I've got 3 vehicles that need to be worked on. I also got a motorcycle that needs to be fixed. The motorcycle is actually not even mine, it's my son's. We can work on that and get that going too. Please, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe. God bless and have a good day.